So it is Friday and there's a giant blizzard coming, and I don't think you can see out the window, but it's blizzardy. So blizzardy. This weekend I'm going to try to stay in shape by shoveling so much snow, and this is like currently 16 to 30 inches of snow, and I'm gonna try to get everywhere by shoveling and walking the dog and still trying to get a bunch of steps. So let's see if that works. Good morning. We are in the middle of a blizzard. A lot of stuff is happening right now. Blizzard time. Walking in the blizzard, as you can see, it is pretty amazing. This is H Street, usually full of cars, street cars, all the fun stuff, but now it is freaking cold and crazy.
We're now walking into the wind.
We're now walking into the wind, as you can see here. The camera's getting all ruined up, but we're gonna go. We'll persevere. I frosted over. We are walking today. We are getting all of our steps by going through this blizzard. It's almost over, by the way. You can see Steph out here. You can see how crazy empty all of these roads are. I guess I'll do some like...
This is how you get a workout in a snowstorm.
This is how you get a workout in a snowstorm. You walk, you shovel, you walk, you shovel, you walk, shovel, walk, shovel.
And in between, you get some spiked cocktails.
Spiked cocktails, beers, walk, shovel, walk, shovel. We're on H Street, Northeast DC. It's usually one of the busiest places in DC. It's an exit in and out of the city, and this thing is empty. There are literally crowds of people there, crowds of people there. They're not all sober. I would say very few are. Thanks for being open. I really appreciate it. We're in the middle of an epic dig out. Lots of digging. Let's do a fun digging time lapse. Everyone is still shoveling.
Oh, very nice. Is it warm?
We burned like 7,000 steps. Got like calories on calories burning.
Very nice. Oh, laugh at. Like a little fox coming out of the cave.
Do you see your shadow? Oh, you see your shadow? We're good. Nice job, buddy.